throughout. I mean, there are certain stories that didn't quite made it to the news, but they made it to us. So we're gonna try to talk about them. Like this other story. Actually, it's not a story. Some people are saying it's a rumor, but because I'm from the hood, I know that this is not a rumor; it's a fact. So I don't know if anyone had realized this, but whenever uthenga kubo my friend, sometimes bayakutshela ukuthi hey, le 20 cent ayisathengi, le 10 cent ayisathengi, ngathi kufuneka i50 cent, 1 rand ukuya phezulu. So but my thing is, why are those, sorry about that. My thing is, why are those Somalian tech shop owners coming here to South Africa? First of all, some of them or most of them, they are even here illegally. You come here illegally, but then later on you're gonna try and tell me which money works and which money doesn't work. I feel like that is bullshit, man. Because in most cases, sometimes I get the feeling that even Operation Tutula, it's been diluted now. It's no longer doing the work that we thought it was supposed to. Ngathi babhizi ngama-Nigeria nama-Zimbabwe nje kuphela, where like ama-Somalia wabhizi, ama-Somalia nama-India babhizi nje basithengisela ukudla lokubolile, rotten food and shit like that, man. And at the same time, they come to tell us that this money is no longer valid. You're not supposed to buy with a 10 cent or 20 cent. I'm like, what the fuck? In South Africa? Because here's the thing. If Liamali ayisasebenzi ne, why i-Reserve Bank isasebhizi i-producer those coins? Because the Reserve Bank is still busy producing or issuing out those coins. But more you're saying, my friend, this one is not the one. This one is a thing. Because another thing that I've realized, Uguti, the reason about my friend bangafuni lama 10 cent nama 20 cent is because le mali yabo bayifaka emapaketeni ngisho. Mongafika lapha emakuleni namayi wangena lapha ku counter, uyothola kugcwele amabhakede nje. Lama bhakede we-Archer wagcwele imali. So my friend akafuni ukuthi le bhakede ye-Archer igcwale ama 10 cent nama 20 cent, ufuna at least ugcwale ama 5 rand, 1 rand, 2 rand, 55 bob. I'm like, but dog, sisemzansi mngani wami, sisemzansi. Even ngithi mngani wami because abo my friend. Sisemzansi, so why kumele wena uzongitshela ukuthi le mali ayisathengi, le iyathenga? Because noma uye Shoprite bayayithatha le mali. Besides ukuyithatha le, mabakunikeza i-change, bakunikeza yona, uthole mhlambe something kwi, suppose let's say this Monster, this energy drink, it costa 19 rand 90 cents. Bazokunikeza i-10 cents if uthenge nge-20 rand. Yabo, so wena mawufika emakuleni uthenga ngale ya 10 cent, maybe ufuna ukugcwalisela enye, bakutshela ukuthi hayi le ayisebenzi. Uba like, kanjani ayisebenzi kanjani? Ngoba baqeda ukunikeza yona eShoprite, lama cents bayawathatha eShoprite nase-Spar nase-Pick n Pay whatever. But mawufika kubo my friend bakutshela ukuthi hayi le ayisebenzi, le asiyifuni, simply because lo muntu akafuni ukugcwalisa amabhakede wakhe ngalama cent. But wayaspana. Here's the thing, if ayisebenzi, why i-government or i-Reserve Bank ilokhu ibhizi ikhipha lama cent, ibhizi sawa manufacturer? Because sometimes mongabheka le mali emuva uthole ukuthi maybe ibhale ukuthi 2024, 2025, but it's a 10 cent or it's 20 cent. So mara mofika kuma friend uthi akayithathi, akayifuni. So I feel like i-Operation Tutula nayo kumele ifike lapha emakuleni i-check ukuthi enhle kwenzakalani. Like I'm saying, man, mongafika emakuleni, remember those motherfuckers, they don't take their money to the bank. It's either le mali iyaphuma ibuyela le e-Ethiopia or e-India or e-Somalia whatever, or ikhona lapha esitolo, imali ikhona lapha esitolo igcwele amabhakede. Mongafika lapha emakuleni, probably more than 100k ungaphuma ngayo, yamacoin namaphepha nani, so of which it's illegal. Phela ukuphatha ukuphatha imali eningi la ukhona. I mean, imagine here in the studio and then amaphoyisa ayafika athola mhlambe 100k ngaphansi kwamakhawuchi, just like phala. It's illegal, right? But they don't do those operations emakuleni, kuma-Somalia and stuff like that. Bafikela thina budaki kuphela, but ama-India nan bayabayeka. So you see ukuthi like nale operation Tutula or e-government somewhere somehow in a favoritism. There are specific groups that they don't even target. They're not even considering to target them. But they are ngati khona laba, it's like they are those ones they are not afraid of. And then they be like, alo asamsabi. Since ngasamsabi kanjena, asimfikele sibone ukuthi singathathani mhlambe angazama ukusbribe simyeke. But did you know that khona my friend bathengisa insangu? Lapha eBinoni nje. eBinoni khona my friend labathengisa insangu. But bafike lama Nigeria nje kuphela ngama drugs and stuff like that. Namandiya wayethengisa insangu. But we be like, oh well, man, I don't know what's going on la eMzansi. Like there's favoritism, man. Especially this thing yokuthi my friend bangathathi ama 20 cents nama 10 cents. Come on, man. I mean, I get it. Sometimes more humble I start. I don't know what's happening to my vocal cords, man, but I wonder if we're gonna try to finish the show. But as I was saying, I wonder sometimes more humble I start in uphetha ama-coin nan. Umuntu sometimes angagcina acabanga ngathi ngathi uphethe imali, unemali, uphethe imali eningi kanti uphethe ama-coin, uphethe ama-cent nje. But then still noma uhamba la estradini ukhala ama-coin emaphokethini wakho, you can tell ukuthi hayi le coin le ikhalayo le i-5 bob le, or le i-20 cent, le i-5 rand, le into esona so. But I don't think it's against the law for those motherfuckers to be like this one's ayisathengi. Ayithengi kanjani meanwhile nawe ungafikanga la eMzansi legit. Phela siyakwazi ukuthi ufike kanjani. Nokugeza abagezi my friend. My friend abagezi. Sikeleni ukukhuluma amanga nje. Abagezi my friend. Well, khona abanye bayageza mara still umuntu wakhona noma agezile unuka kabi nje. Unuka kabi. Ukhe wabona umuntu akutshela ukuthi into esona so ayithengi mara ngapha uyanuka. Hayi man, I understand that makaqeda uzokuthengisela khona abange mabaye etoilet mababuya bawashi nezandla ba like makaqeda uzokuthengisela amatamati nanani mara wena mawufika uthi uthenga ngama 20 cent ukutshela ukuthi hayi le ayithengi. Owakuphi wena uzongitshela ukuthi ayithengi le shandisi? Ngoba i-wrong lento ishoyo. Wrong gabi. So i-operation Tutula nayo kumele yenze umsebenzi wayo ngoba hayi whatever that's happening, it's bullshit, man. It's fucking bullshit and I don't buy it. So what if kugcwele amabhakede anama-cent? Umsebenzi wakho ngisho i-business, urun i-business, na imali thatha. Mara it's like my friend here in South Africa, they are so comfortable to a point where they can even tell you what buys and what doesn't buy. Sebakubekela nemilawo nemithetho nje. Imilawo nemithetho. Yeah. Those rules and regulations that you are not supposed to use this certain, man, fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here, man. This is so wrong, man. The only thing that we like about my friend is the fact that in most cases, whatever you want, you're gonna get it. It's way different from when Utaki megavuli store. Yeah, if a black person decides to open a store, more figure la pestolo sakhe ndoda motu ufuna ukuthenga abugwayi abekho. Funa iRizzler ayikho. Funa isinkwa asikho. iCoke ayikho. Ngathi uthengisa ayikho nje. Into ethengisayo ayikho kahle. So my friend, the only thing the reason why we'll never stop buying from them is because whatever that you want at that particular time, uzoyithola. Mara leyo ukuthi bathi ama-cent nani abasifuni, basijwayela kabi. Australia, I think they have overstayed their welcome. I don't know if you where I'm at right now in the hood, eThema. Uma ungafika eThema akunamakula wena ndiya akusana leyo shandisi because angisho nalokudla kwabo sometimes sekubulala abantwana kulisa abantwana nani. So umphakathi waseThema ovele wafika wathi hey yazini enough is enough India malhambe. So nalama container wabo in awasekho. So all the Somalian tech shops, all the Indian tech shops, all the Ethiopian tech shops, they are gone. Mongafika eThema naseTsakani ya amandiya wasekho. Maye sekuthengisa udaki. Problem ukuthi like I said, mofika esitolo sakadaki, mothi yathenga ayikho. Uthengisa ayikho nje but eventually sesiyajwayela ukuthi lo uhlezi angenanto so mara lo unayo. So eventually imali circulator igasi but circulator amongst the blacks. It's no longer circulating amongst the Ethiopians and the Indians and the Somalians, whatever. So I wish maybe even other townships like Alex, Soweto, Oliveni, Diepsloot, bangenza the same thing. Baxoshe wonke amandiya because umsangano lento bayenzayo. Umsangano straight. Mele baxoshe wena Somalia, wena Ndiya, wena Ethiopia mabahambe. So umsebenzi ka-operation Tudula but abawuyenzi umsebenzi. Kunale operation bathi operation Chanela, operation Chanela yonke into manje, Chanela yonke into siyabutha. Yabama, so if you are selling illegal stuff or expired stuff, they're gonna arrest you. Of which I think it's about time. Mara mina ngikhala ngale yama-coin. So what if solo kube ngibhizi ngisiva lama cent and manje sewayenza 1,000 and ngifuna ukuthenga impuphu nani negrosa lapha emakuleni futhi angeke ayithathe le mali, angeke ayithathe because ungitshela ukuthi le ayisebenzi kanjani nawe i-passport yakho engasebenzi. How phela bayasijwayela labantu, ukubona ngami bayasijwayela straight. But angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngabo my friend because nami mangiphuma la ngisayoya ku my friend ngiyothenga something. You see, the way we are hypocrites ngakhona la eMzansi, we can talk shit about you and then later on come back and support you and be like, yakena besikhuluma nje besicocela. But at some point there are certain conversations that need to be had. We have to have certain conversations about certain things. Just because I'm supporting you does not necessarily mean that whatever bullshit that you are doing angiyiboni. Ngiyazibona lezi zinto uzenzayo. It's just that since ngiyi-loyal customer lapho nalapho, sometimes ngidecide ukuthi yazini I guess it's not my place. Ithi ngivale la ngidla khona. Yabama, so but
we live in a world where the system and capitalism turns a blind eye on its hoi polloi. As we all know that nothing is permanent. I welcome you all to the Lang Tray segment where we're gonna talk, share, listen and laugh if it's laughable. So sit back, relax. I'm your host, Trejo Tabo here. See you soon.
Trejo Tebucho from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts with my son